Hello YouTube, it's a quick video here. I just upgrade LEDs on the turn signal on my Lexus Is350. So look very impressive, very bright, as you can see here. Very bright. Well, it's impressive. Anybody can see it far away how bright that light is. So yep, definitely it's a big improvement with the standard held up light bulb, with the standard light bulb. Again, like, subscribe, make any suggestion. Anybody can see from far away. Like, subscribe, make any suggestion. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your help.